Okay, here we have a parallelogram. One way to easily think of a parallelogram is let me get this here, a rectangle that has been slanted slightly. So it becomes something like this. It is basically just a slanted rectangle. So we end up with a formula that gives us nearly the same formula as a rectangle. For a rectangle, it would be length times width. For a parallelogram, we have base times height. Now the only key difference here is we could say our base might be 10 centimeters. Our height is not going to be this slant area. Our height is actually going to be how high it is. So similar to how we found the height of a triangle, here we might say the height is 5 centimeters. So in this case, the area would be the base, which is 10, times the height, which is 5, and we come up with an area of 50 centimeters squared. Now, very quickly, I want to show you that in this case, so if I'm using the same problem as up here, where we had a base of 10 centimeters, sometimes we might see the height actually written out on the outsides. Something like this. And it would tell us 5 centimeters. So we could have the height written on the inside of the problem. We could have it written on the outside. But either way, it's going to show you from one base to the other what is that height. And that'll tell us the height. And simply enough, it's just area equals base times height.